Speed away. Unpack the phrase with ease. Hello, wonderful learners. Today, we're diving into a fascinating English phrase, speed away. Whether you've heard it in movies, songs, or someone used it in conversation, understanding this phrase will add some zip to your English conversations. Let's get ready to zoom into learning. Speed away is a phrasal verb that combines speed, which means to move quickly, with away, implying movement from a location. Together, they paint a picture of someone or something moving rapidly away from a place. It's often used to describe cars, people, or time itself, anything that can go fast. Understanding speed away is easier when we look at its parts. Speed is not just about moving, it's about moving very quickly. And away, it adds direction to the speed, telling us that the action is going out of sight or into the distance. So, speed away tells a story in just 2 words. This phrase comes in handy in various scenarios. For example, narrating a story, the thief sped away from the scene. Describing a feeling, as soon as the bell rang, the students sped away to their break. Talking about time, the vacation days just sped away. Remember, speed away carries a sense of urgency and sometimes escape. It's powerful and vivid, perfect for colorful conversations and expressive writing. Let's see speed away in action. The race car sped away as soon as the signal was given. Hearing the news, she sped away to share it with her family. The weekend sped away, and it was Monday before we knew it. Use these examples as a guide to make your own sentences and practice using speed away correctly. Avoid confusing speed away with simply speed. The latter can be used as a noun, the speed of light, or a verb, he speeds on the highway, without the element of departure that away adds. Also, remember that sped is the past tense of speed, used when talking about something that has already happened. And that's a wrap on speed away. Now you can add this expressive phrase to your English toolkit. Use it to describe quick movements, dramatic escapes, or just the passing of time. I hope this video has sped up your learning and you've enjoyed our time together. Happy learning, and see you in the next video.